Always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
Welcome back. We started off our Thursday with some drizzle out there that has escalated into some rain showers. As we take a peek at some of the rainfall estimates to this point in the day, here around Grand Rapids, that sits between about 1/10 and 1/4 of an inch. As you move further south into Allegan County, some spots seeing as much as about 1/3 of an inch of rain. Same story there in Van Buren County. Not quite as much precipitation around Kalamazoo just yet. Heading further north into Nuevo County, there near Big Rapids, about 5/100 of an inch of rain. You can see that that sweep of rain has been carried away further to the east. That's currently falling from Kalamazoo up towards Saginaw Bay, just beginning to peel off of Grand Rapids, and it appears that we'll have a period of some quieter conditions leading into this afternoon. However, we will have another cold front take a swipe at us as we continue toward about 4 o'clock today. That's going to trigger some more rain, possibly a couple of rumbles of thunder, and the wind is going to switch from the south to the west, and it is going to be rather powerful as that wind direction takes place, that switch from south to west. As we get into tonight, you can see that we chill off rapidly and introduce some snow rather than rain. As we take a look at Storm Track Live right now on the broader view, you can see that next wave of precipitation currently wading off to the west, traveling through Illinois and Wisconsin, and that's what could cause a couple of rumbles of thunder later today. So between now and 8 o'clock this evening, we'll have some periods of rain. Some strong wind gusts are also expected. We'll have a period of some quieter weather between about 8 o'clock tonight and midnight as the precipitation winds down for a little while. So that should give crews a little bit of time to prepare for the possibility of some ice to form as we lead into tomorrow morning. Between midnight and noon tomorrow is when we'll have some icy surfaces form up and also some snow showers. And toward the middle of the day tomorrow, we should have the snow end, and conditions after that will largely improve. Here's a look at Futurecast then. It steps through that opportunity at seeing some rain and perhaps a couple of rumbles of thunder as we go through the later stages of today. Snow fills in the radar as we travel into Friday morning, and it looks like that's going to be heaviest as you move west of US 131, winding down as we get to tomorrow afternoon, left with mostly cloudy skies and much colder temperatures. Those will sink by about 20 degrees from today to tomorrow. So we're going to pick up between 1/4 and 1/2 inch of precipitation in terms of the liquid precipitation, and then that quick freeze as we go through tonight, and we'll drop about 1 to 3 inches of snow on top of that. So that is going to cause some slippery surfaces. Make sure to account for that in your travels on Friday morning. Here's a look outside in Allendale now, where you can see that snow continuing to be peeled away. We have some grassy surfaces being revealed. Temperatures, those are between 40 and 50 degrees. We will chill off dramatically tomorrow, but then it looks like through the weekend and beyond, temperatures will be rather comfortable for December. We're talking about 30s for the most part, even hopping up to 40 degrees next Tuesday. Christmas Eve, mostly cloudy, 36. Christmas Day brings a high of 38 degrees and some pretty quiet weather. George and Sue.